I'm Danni Washington, rising marine biologist, ocean advocate, and TV host. STEM has taken me into the deep blue. I've had a chance to scuba dive with giant manta rays and swim with whale sharks. Where has STEM taken you?
I'm Dr. Kate Biberdorf, an inorganic chemist at the University of Texas at Austin. STEM has taken me into the world of fire, where I get to explore the fun side of chemistry.
I'm Jason Latimer, world champion of magic and curator at the Fleet Science Center. From bending light to shaping water, STEM will always be the tool of using everything we know to challenge everything we don't.
STEM brought me to the NASA Johnson Space Center, where I'm training for a mission to the International Space Station.
I'm Master Scientist Grant Hank, and STEM has taken me from the laboratories of Johnson & Johnson to the president and CEO of Grant Hank Productions Incorporated, the multimedia education company.
Hi, this is Emily Calandrelli, and STEM has allowed me to fly weightless like an astronaut in the Vomit Comet, meet dozens of astronauts, and work alongside my idol, Phil Nye.
I'm Steve Spangler, science educator, STEM toy designer, and television personality. STEM has taken me on an incredible journey as an Emmy Award-winning science communicator. Now, my story began as a classroom science teacher, and today I get to share my passion with millions on YouTube as a regular but messy guest on the Ellen DeGeneres Show, and as the host of my own television series called DIY Sci. See, I told you, STEM can take you anywhere you want to go.
Find out where STEM can take you at the USA Science and Engineering Festival.